Hi, I'm Mark with Vocal Boost to Go. We're here at our new facility, getting ready to head into our vlog studio. We have some acoustic problems in there, but we want to show you guys with the acoustic treatment how we can remedy that. As you can see, we're dealing with four walls, lots of reflection, lots of echo. As you can see, we move back. This is no place that you want to record anything, vocals, music. You don't want to record in anything like this. As you can see, we got hooks already installed, right, all around the walls. And with the acoustic treatment, we'll be able to treat the reflections, get a more dry, tighter sound, and fix this place right up for the vlog. Another problem that we'll have once we put the acoustic treatment on the walls is this HVAC unit. Again, this is going to give off a lot of noise, a lot of rumble, a lot of hiss, things that you don't want in your vocal recordings or video recordings. But to fix that, we ran a track with S hooks, right? And what we'll do is we'll apply acoustic treatment on these S hooks on this track line, and we will go all the way down, mesh to the wall, and try to go ahead and fix some of that sound, some of those sound problems we'll have with the HVAC unit. So now we're going to grab some acoustic treatment, apply it to the walls, and show you guys the difference. Alrighty, now what we're going to do is we're going to try to isolate the HVAC from the rest of the room, and we're going to use the VB72G here on the S line to go ahead and get that done. As you can see, we're back here in the vlog studio. We have the acoustic blankets on the wall. We were able to tackle some of the reverb in the room. Very tight, dry sound. Lots of reflection, lots of echo. We also found that we were having some noise coming from the fluorescent lights that we had hung previously. So now we have some LED lights up there. Less noise, a lot quieter. Makes for better recordings, better sound. All right, we're coming over to the other side. Where the HVAC unit was, we were able to hang some blankets from some universal stands to reduce the sound. Again, less reverb, a more tighter sound, a more drier sound for your video recordings.